Take out bobbin. Put the bobbin cover back in place. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Hold on to end of thread. Push bobbin winder shaft to the right until it clicks. Turn on the sewing machine. The bobbin starts winding when the foot pedal is lightly pressed. Trim the excess thread from the head of the thread. The shuttle core will automatically stop rotating when fully filled. Push shaft to the left to remove bobbin and cut thread. Pull the thread through the slit. The bobbin should spin clockwise. Pull out about 6 inches of thread. Attach the bobbin cover plate. Raise the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Through the thread tension module, the presser foot must be raised. Firmly draw thread up and through take-up lever from right to left. Draw thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the lever while holding the end of the thread. Rotate the lever to the rear of the machine. Release the lever and pull the thread away from you. Raise the presser foot, turning the hand wheel until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Pull the needle thread lightly with your left hand. Pick out the bottom thread. Pull 6 inches of both thread back and under the presser foot. There are a total of 24 stitches here. Set the pattern selector dial to D. Set the stitch length dial to SS. When the foot pedal is pressed lightly, the set pattern will be sewn. Set the stitch length dial to SS+. Set the stitch length dial to SS-. The set pattern will be sewn. Set the stitch length dial to 0.51. Set the stitch length dial to 2. Set the stitch length dial to 3. Set the stitch length dial to 4. Sew a straight stitch by lightly pressing the foot pedal. Press the reverse stitch lever continuously. fastening the ends of the seams. Raise the needle by turning hand wheel toward you. Turn off the sewing machine. Rotate the needle clamp screw toward yourself. Remove the needle from the clamp. Insert the new needle into the needle clamp, with the flat end of the needle facing away from yourself. When inserting the needle into the clamp, push it up as far as it will go. Raise the presser foot. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. The presser foot will drop off. Lower the presser foot holder to lock the foot in place. Remove the needle plate set screws and the needle plate. Brush the feed dog teeth to remove dust and lint clog. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts. Open the cover plate and take out bobbin. Open the shuttle race cover holders. Clean the shuttle race with soft cloth and a brush. Assemble the shuttle race after cleaning. When the machine cannot operate, the indicator light will flash. Turn off the sewing machine. Lift the presser foot and take out bobbin. Clear the clogged threads.